had the right side passenger door off, and I did some trimming. That was tight there. Then I took it outside in 14-degree weather, and I used my spot blaster, and I blasted the rust off that was in between there. What I'm going to attempt to do is spot weld this little inner piece back on, because when I trimmed it I cut through it, and it's going to be super difficult to weld 3 pieces of metal with a wire welder, and I'm not sure how that's going to go. I have a feeling what's going to happen, it's going to burn away the outside 2 layers. Alright, I was able to make a whole tight row of spot welds there, and that should make it a little easier for me to weld that with a wire welder. I don't know if you can see anything down here, but anyway, the gap is looking pretty good. It looks like I got to trim a little bit off right here, and I got to add a little bit to that corner. When I hit it with the welder, it burnt that corner off, so I'm going to have to work on that corner to get it straight again. I just hit it with the bead blaster again outside. I'll tell you what, I haven't got much better at welding, but I've gotten a lot better at grinding, you know? And I got a bad flashlight here apparently. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Alright.